Hello everyone. The word of the day is fickle by English Minglish. Fickle, it is adjective. It means changing often and suddenly. Like changing frequently, especially as regards one's loyalties or affections. I change my mind several times a day. It means I am fickle. Fickle describe persons or things that are not firm or steady in affection, behavior, opinion, or loyalty. Changeable or unstable in affection, interest, loyalty, etc. The definition of fickle is a child's short attention span of new toys. Fickle means to be rude, changeable, especially in the relationship with others. For example, the group of my mates is always fickle. The people are a very fickle baby that must have new toys every day. If you change your mind several times a day, it means you are fickle. Fickle is likely to change his or her feelings or opinions suddenly and without a good reason. Like some persons can describe as fickle, and whether it also describe as a fickle if it tends to change suddenly. So we can say Romeo is fickle. Romeo is changeable, as at the start of the play he declares his love for Rosalind, describing his heart as heavy as lead. However, his emotions and feelings soon change when he meets Juliet. This shows that Romeo is fickle. Romeo was fickle as he forgotten his past love. He is so fickle in love because he is searching for the right person. Well, I know people are fickle. People are fickle. They will love you today, but they will leave for tomorrow. Well, I'm not fickle. If you are, tell me in the comments, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like, comments, and share. Thank you for watching.